St. Andrew record producer gunned down in Shooter's Hill. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 26-year-old Andre Gordon, otherwise called Jair, a record producer of Hope Boulevard, Hope Pastor St. Andrew, was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Shooter's Hill, 7 miles St. Andrew on Saturday, September 17. Reports from the Ellison Road police station are that at around 7:35 p.m., Gordon went to visit a friend, and on reaching the Shooter's Hill area, he was pounced upon by gunmen and shot several times. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The investigation are ongoing into this shooting incident. We'll have more details to come in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.